got her all naked. I took the skid plate off. Had to get up all in here. I'm gonna clean up the frame, get it all looking good, get all the grease and grime all out of there. I'm just gonna clean her up, clean the plastics up, just give her a nice wipe down, and she'll be back in business. But I'm gonna be winterizing her. I'm gonna be have her sitting in here. She's gonna stay in the shed. I am thinking about getting rid of her because I don't know. I'm looking for something bigger and better. She runs great. There's nothing wrong with her. You know, I've done nothing but upgraded her, as you guys have known. Everything's in decent shape. Look at the frame. Frame is still clean. Still needs a wipe down, but still pretty good looking. So I have my aftermarket lights. So I have my lights here that I put on. These are the ones that you guys seen that I installed. And then I still have the stock ones. I'm gonna leave them there. I don't know if the next owner is gonna want to use them. There's no sense in me taking them out, so I'm just gonna leave them there. I'll just leave them under the fender or whatever. But I'm gonna rig this up, make sure it's nice in there so it's not sitting on the engine, staying with the frame. Also, what I'd like to get finished is I want to put this switch up in the control area over here. I want to put this switch up on the dash. So that's something I want to get done. I don't know what I'm going to do exactly yet, but we'll figure something out. I got her all cleaned up. Tires are still a little dirty, but look at the frame, man. Look at the frame. I'm gonna put the skid plate back on. I'm gonna give it a once over, clean up the engine a little bit, but she's looking all right so far. There's not much I can do here with the plastics, but they're shined up as much as I can do. She's at 89. How much could you want from her? She's alive. She's ready to rip. Lower down the idle a little bit.